This is the SmartSign2Go Go Sign Player Ultra device. This is a commercial, military-grade Chrome box built by AOpen, and it's useful for pretty much any project you can throw a stick at. It's very high performance and especially useful for those environments needing a more rugged solution, whether that be a dusty environment, a hot environment. You have a sealed chassis that's got no fan, no moving parts, so very reliable. And you can see the top of this chassis is ribbed and is actually the heatsink for the device. So that's how it's able to stay cool despite a hot environment. It is especially reliable because of the Google backend that we use to manage your device and keep things reliably running over time. We include everything you need in the box. You, of course, have the power supply, a handy wall mount, the device itself, and a wireless keyboard and mouse. If you'd like to pick one of these up, of course, we have them through our website and our Amazon store as well. We look forward to helping you with your project.